Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, we'll be continuing our virtual potluck known as Soul Food Sunday. Again, I'll be collaborating with Smoking and Grilling with AB. As you know by now, it's one of my favorite channels. So after watching this video, head on over to Smoking and Grilling with AB and see what he's cooking up for Soul Food Sunday. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. Today, I'll be making spicy fried chicken. You will need 2 pounds of chicken, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3 cups of buttermilk, 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder, 6 to 12 Trinidad Scorpion Peppers, 1/2 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of Louisiana hot sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, and canola oil for frying. Add the hot sauce to the buttermilk, then pour it over your chicken. Cover with plastic wrap, then transfer it to the refrigerator and allow it to sit for at least 4 hours. Using a food processor, blend your Trinidad Scorpion peppers. In a bowl, combine your flour and baking powder. Add the pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Now add the paprika, cayenne pepper, and Trinidad Scorpion peppers and mix until all the spices are well incorporated. After 4 hours, remove your chicken from the refrigerator. Then dredge your chicken in the flour mixture and set them on a wire rack. Bring your oil to 350 degrees, then fry your chicken in small batches. After your chicken is done, place them on a paper towel to remove the excess oil. Then they are ready to serve. If you like it hot and spicy, then this is the recipe for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.